Hello, welcome back to another video, my Jamaican life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey baby, smile. So today I'm gonna quiz my wife and see if she know the Jamaican stuff. Well, she eat them every day. I'm gonna see how well she can, you name the stuff and tell me. Well, there's a few stuff that's missing for me that I love is mango. So first, I'm gonna start off with this, baby.
My favorite pear.
What is this right here?
Coconut.
What can we do with coconut?
Drink the water.
And what else?
And eat the jelly.
And what else? And Sundays, what do we do?
Somebody's head.
You ain't go somebody else besides that.
I don't know.
Remember, we can get the dry one to grate it to get the coconut milk.
I thought you meant the green one.
Yeah, coconut milk to get coconut milk. Okay, what's the next thing in front of it?
Jamaican yam.
All right, so that's different from the American yam. Okay, this is Jamaican yellow yam. Okay, now what are these two stuff next to it?
Bell peppers.
And why are they?
Sweet peppers.
Yeah, bell peppers and sweet peppers. And why are they so young? Also, why are they so small?
Because of drought.
So we had a drought, folks, and the drought was so bad that this is how big they grow. Okay, what's the next thing in front of it?
Beetroot.
Beetroot.
I don't think.
What does it look like?
A nieceberry.
A nieceberry. Okay, as you mentioned, nieceberry. Okay, what is the other thing? What are these things?
Those are nieceberries.
And what are
I
nieceberries?
thought they were kiwis at first.
Yeah, you thought it was kiwis, right?
Yes.
So what are they?
Fruit.
It's a fruit. All right. Who loves that?
Jermaine.
Who's Jermaine?
My husband.
So I love me some nieceberry, folks. So my wife is doing good so far. She does a coconut, she does the bell peppers, and she does the yam, beetroot, and then she does the nieceberry. So what is the next thing?
Salad.
So why is it called a salad?
I don't know. Y'all call it salad. It's
so
tomato.
It's a tomato. It's a sliced tomato, but we call it a salad tomato here.
In America, it's called a beefsteak tomato because it's big slices.
Yeah, so we normally slice it and eat it like that, so we call it a salad tomato. Okay. So what we got right here?
Congo peas.
Otherwise known as
pigeon peas, my favorite.
Why is it called pigeon peas?
I have no idea.
Because the eyes look like pigeon eyes.
Oh.
So yeah, we have the green and we have the dry. So this is dried right here. But you can still make a soup, or you can still make a stew, or whatever. You can also go in your rice and beans. All right. Okay. What's the next thing?
Broad beans, sugar
Otherwise
beans.
known as
sugar beans.
Sugar bean. What do we use this to do?
Soup.
Make it a soup or a stew. Do we have some the other night?
Yes. It's great.
How was it?
Delicious.
You love it, right?
Chef Gavin.
Chef Gavin, turn it up. All right. So what is the next thing right here?
I forgot this one.
Oh, I'm coming. Okay. What is this?
Dried okra.
Okay, so it's dried. So what are we gonna do with it?
Plant.
So we're gonna use the seeds out to plant, okay, and make some new ones. All right. So far we got the green coconut, we got the yellow yam, we got the bell peppers, the dry, and we got the beetroot, and we got the nieceberry, which it looks like the American kiwi. Look at it. Looks like a kiwi. Okay. Then we got the tomato salad. So what is this right here? Cocoa. So what we do with this?
We're gonna make tea.
So I think we have some dry. I think my grandmother have some dry. I'm gonna steal some of it and give her this one. Oh, she's not watching this video. She gonna say, Manny, why you stealing my stuff? Yeah, she called me Manny. Okay, what's this right here?
Jamaican pumpkin.
Jamaican pumpkin. Look at it. We have different types of pumpkin, but this one, when you cut this inside, oh my God, it is good to go. Okay, let me show you one that's cut. My cousin cut this one. He took the seeds out. It's kind of dry, but it's good. When you cook these pumpkin, look at it. Jamaican pumpkin, all right? That's some good stuff right there, okay? Yeah, my cousin made some pumpkin. We don't do pumpkin pie here, but you can see my table is filled with stuff. All right, so we start about the cocoa last, right?
No, pumpkin.
Pumpkin last. So this is what, baby?
Sweet potato.
Jamaican sweet potato. This is one variety of Jamaican sweet potato. There's a lot. So as you can look at it, look like the American yam.
Mm-hmm.
Right, baby? Mm-hmm. Look like the American yam. All right, so we going. She's good so far. She ain't lose so far. I'm gonna quiz her back later. I'm gonna get her with the trees too, but she's getting way better. So what is this right here, baby?
Sugar cane.
So it's the same sugar cane they used to make the sugar, okay? But this is sweet. How does your husband eat it? He peel it and eat it, right?
You suck out the juice, right?
Suck the juice out, all right? So I'm not gonna come to this one and put my hands over here because it's a special, okay? Okay, what is this right here?
Plantain.
It's a green plantain. It's a cousin of
green banana.
Cousin of banana. So we have plantains, you have banana, okay? So my wife is getting better, man. All right, let me quiz her with the tea leaves now.
I know my teas.
What is this tea leaves?
Soursop.
All right, what does come from soursop?
Soursop. Fruit.
A fruit, and we can juice it or eat it, right?
Yes.
What is this tea?
Dandelion.
Dandelion. Faster dandelion. Okay, your friend Naja loved this one. You can send this one to her.
Shout
She
out,
like-
Naj.
She was like, yeah, she hit me with that one. And what is this one right here?
Moringa.
Moringa. Okay, and we make tea with this too, right?
Yes.
I also use a powdered leaf from that to
like that
powdered
one.
seeds and turn into powder. And this is my favorite mint of all
Absolute
mint.
favorite. Jamaican mint.
Jamaican mint, yeah. Folks, so back in the days when I couldn't afford tea bags and I used to live in Jamaica, I used to have to get the soursop leaf off the tree, and that's it. Couldn't afford any of that. I was looking for you, man. Hold on one second.
You ain't trying to pack good, man.
Yeah, yeah. If I turned out good?
No, you never turn time good on that.
For real? Okay, hold on. So let me finish up this video, folks. So I got all this going down, but my favorite is the red apple. I will kill somebody for red apple. East Indian mango and Julie, and common mango. I would go to, I'll lose it. Yesterday, my brother took my best apple, the black one. It's good, but guess what? He had worms in there. So I'm not mad. But this red apple, I'd lose my mind. Like plenty of times home, I just dream of eating some red apple, just sitting on my mouth, just going. I remember when I came off the plane the first time, that's the first thing I bought was some, some red apple. I like them when they're dark, a little bit darker than this, but I love me some red apple. But folks, so my wife does good. She knows her stuff, she knows her fruit. So tomorrow I'm gonna quiz her with the trees. All right? Got something to say, baby?
Nope.
Like, share, subscribe. She gonna tell y'all to make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. All right? So my Jamaican life, guys, keep this thing going. Pump it. Okay? All right. One love.